Welcome to Amma Stories, my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you the story of Tenali Raman. Many of you might have heard about him. He was born in a small village called Tenali in the present day Andhra Pradesh. He was one of the 8 prominent men in the court of King Krishna Deva Raya who ruled over the Vijayanagar Empire. Now, over to the story. One day, the king was having his court. Many people had come to see the king, either to solve their problems or to gift something to the king. An Arab trader also came along with his 2 horses. The king liked the horses very much. He examined them and found them to be worth in his army. So he asked the Arab trader, "O trader, do you have more of them?" The Arab trader said, "Yes, your majesty, I have 2 more, but they are in Arabia." So the king asked him to bring those horses. The trader took 5,000 gold coins from the king and went back. Even after 6 months, there was no news from the trader. The king was a little worried. His head had become heavy. So to reduce his tension, he took a stroll in the court garden. So there he met Tenali Raman. Tenali Raman was scribbling something in a piece of paper. So the king asked, "Tenali Raman, what are you scribbling?" Tenali Raman gave the piece of paper to the king. The king looked at it, and on top it was written, the great fool of Vijayanagar kingdom. And the king's name was written there in very bold letters. The king was annoyed. He asked Tenali Raman the reason for writing his name. Tenali Raman said, "Sir, you have given 5,000 gold coins to the Arab trader. So I consider you as the most or the great fool of Vijayanagar kingdom." But the king said, "What if he comes back?" Then Tenali Raman said, "Then I will write that trader's name instead of your name on the list." The king laughed at this answer and his worry or anxiety went off for some time. So this is the story. The story is very, very small, but it gives us a very valuable lesson. It means do not trust any stranger blindly. Tenali Raman wanted to say this to the king, but he told him in a very humorous manner. So I hope you understood it and you have enjoyed the story. So as usual, till we meet next time with another story, tata, bye bye. But please share this story with your friends, and whatever you feel, write it as comments to me. You can like, you can share, and if you feel, you can subscribe also. Once again, tata, bye bye.